Welcome to the Doggo Bake Show. I'm your host, Joan Cabarrus. We're gonna be sculpting dogs with polymer clay using minimal tools and lots of imagination. Come on in! Hi everyone! Welcome to the Doggo Bake Show. This is the 8th episode, and if you missed the 7 episodes before this, you better watch them so you can follow the story of our neighborhood. Last week, Big Boy asked me if he could watch me sculpt his friend today. Hi, Big Boy!
Thanks for having me here.
Today's episode is Short-Haired German Pointer.
Hi, Schnauzie, you're working today.
Yeah, coworker called in today, and the boss needed help, so I picked it up.
Well, I'd like to invite you to a party this evening.
What party?
It's a disco party in the Doggo Bake community.
Oh, that's right. It's the dog's disco party tonight. Oh, I still need to create some music for it. Oh, I better hurry. I'll call Pointie now. Pointie!
Oh my goodness! I forgot I have to sculpt with Joan today.
Don't worry, I'll be here. If not, I'll see you at the party then.
Pointie! I heard you and Schnauzie were talking about the party tonight, which I completely forgot. Thank you for the reminders. Well, Big Boy here wants to watch us sculpt you today. I know you two are great friends.
Enjoy the show, Big Boy.
I will.
Alright, Big Boy, I'm gonna ask you to step away so I can focus on Pointie, okay?
You know, Pointie, I'm responsible to make music for the party tonight. Like this, oh. The Doggo Bake Show.
Ooh, baby, baby.
Ew, say it, don't spray it.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Let me wipe you.
Man, you beatboxers out there. I don't know how'd you do it during COVID-19. Let's try it with a mask.
Ooh, Pointie, it's hard. Thank you, Pointie. That was fun.
That was good. But I want you to sculpt me now so I can go home and see what outfits I will wear tonight.
Okay. Pointie and I will show you how to create a short-haired German Pointer dog. Right, Pointie?
It's very easy. Preparation. You will need polymer clay, brush and baby oil, any tool with a rounded tip, and toothpicks. Doggo Bake Show, Doggo Bake Books, and the Short-Haired German Pointer project will be found in the Doggo Bake 3. All you gotta do is follow the instructions. So you're just forming the shapes right now? Yep. All we gotta do is form the individual body parts. You're gonna need more patience creating this dog because it has a lot of spots. We're using toothpicks to create stability for the legs and the neck. This is how you were formed, Pointie. So now, after all the major body parts are attached, we're gonna attach the snout. Now the fun part, the spots. You don't need fancy tools to do this. You can just use sticks or toothpicks. Before baking, we have to smoothen the surface out.
Alright, look, we are now done sculpting a short-haired German pointer dog. We are ready to bake this pointer dog. I made sure the legs, the bases are wide enough so that it won't tilt in any direction. Just gonna use my brush with very few oil just to remove the fingerprints. After that, that's ready. Settings between 250 to 275 depending on how thick your polymer clay is. It has to be on the bake settings, not toast. Do not toast your sculptures. And 30 minutes. While the sculpture is baking, I'm gonna share you a little bit about a short-haired German pointer dog. When I was researching about this dog, when I was in the process of writing the books, the coat of this dog is normally liver white, liver chocolate, chocolate white, tan, sometimes black and white. Very, very interesting color coat. Even if this sculpture is not realistic, the dog normally has solid spots on the back, but then if you look at other parts of the dog, there's little spots, very freckled area of the dog. That's what makes the German pointer unique from other dogs, because of those spots. Very fascinating. Oh, wow, that was fast.
This dog is done.
Joan, I have to go home now.
Oh, I know you're in a hurry, so go home and find your outfit, okay? There you go. How about that, big boy? Did you like that?
Very much.
That was fun.
I wonder what time is it now. Let me check outside. Oh, it's dark now. The party's about to start. I gotta get my music ready for the party. Oh, okay. What do I need to do?
So, don't forget to grab your copies of the Doggo Bake 1, 2, and 3 to learn more how to sculpt more dogs, okay? So, I gotta go. I created you a subscribe button. Just click that button that looks like this below. You will get notified when the next video is gonna come out, okay? Subscribe, share, help me out, and I gotta go. Come on, let's go! What are you waiting for? Come with me!
Are you ready to